create our first file. So first file will be conditional statements. That is what we'll be doing. So conditional statements, what are conditional statements? Conditional statements are used to execute the different blocks of code based on a specific condition. And the first condition we're going to look at is the if condition or if statement, if I may be correct. So let's create a file conditional.py. Let's close there. So we've said we'll start with the if statement. Let's look at the if statement. Let's first do an assignment. So x is equals to 5. That is the assignment that we are going to do. And then let's do the if statement. So for the if statement, you need an if, and then the value that you check, and then what condition are you checking? Is it greater than 0? And then what do we do? So because we've said conditional statements are statements that are used to execute different blocks of code based on specific conditions. So if x is greater than 0, print. So print is what will be executed. So x, let's say x is greater than 0. That should be that. Let's save that and let's run it. We can bring it down a bit. So let's do, we don't need to select. Let's do, I hope, some changes here. That should be correct. So let's do Python, running the file Python conditions conditional.py. So x is greater than 0 because x is greater than 0 because x is 5. So let's say if x is less than 0, that's when you print, so that we see that it doesn't get executed. So nothing gets